Hey everyone, in this video we are going to quickly find the cosecant of 3 pi over 2 for a more robust overview of unit circle and all that jazz. Please start off by going to the video at the end of this video that is labeled as the ordered pairs on the unit circle, something to that effect, if you need that kind of support. If not, I'm assuming that you know the fundamentals of the unit circle and you are ready to dive right in. So in order to do cosecant of 3 pi over 2, quickly and easily and visually without other supplemental tools, the exact value implies no calculator, by hand, leaving answers with a radical, if necessary, with a radical. So cosecant, we need to know, is actually, if you see over there on the yellow post-it, is 1 over sine. In other words, that means it's the reciprocal of sine. You should quickly and easily be able to know that the reciprocal of 0 is undefined. The reciprocal of 1/2 is 2. The reciprocal of square root 2 over 2 is square root of 2. The reciprocal of root 3 over 2 is the most annoying looking one, and that is 2 root 3 over 3. And the reciprocal of 1 is 1. So what do we have here? This column, going up and down, is all possible answers, at least the positives, that you can get using the unit circle for sine or cosine. And on the right are the possible answers that you would get for secant or cosecant. So if you know what the sine or the cosine is, all you have to know is the reciprocal of that value to know the secant or the cosecant. We also need to know where exactly 3 pi over 2 is. This one should really be pretty easy. I would say the common mistake, though, is people mix up 3 pi over 2 with 2 pi over 3 when they're going too quickly. So if that's you, make sure you're slowing down. Here is pi, and I like to make it with a common denominator that is 2 pi over 2. Well, then that makes this 0 pi over 2. That makes this spot up top 1 pi over 2. If I continue to count, 1, 2, that makes this one right over here, exactly pointing down, 3 pi over 2. That is also the radian measure of 270-degree measure angle. If you wanted to draw the little petals, you just double your denominator, and that's how many petals you have starting here, okay? So we have 4 petals all around. Third petal puts us there. Now, what does this tell us? Please don't be overly confident. What is the ordered pair that corresponds to the spot below the origin on the unit circle? A lot of people, very smart people, see it all the time, will mix up the x and y coordinates for this spot. Like, can't even begin to tell you. Slow down. Think about it. What is the x? What is the y? First you go left, right, then you go up, down. What do you think it is? If you said 0, -1, I'm proud of you. If not, I still love you, but we're going to work on it. So there's your x and your y. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. Sine is the y. So if sine of, in this case, 3 pi over 2 equals -1, cosecant is the reciprocal of -1. And what is the reciprocal of -1? Well, -1. It does not change signs. It's 1 over -1. It's still -1. So if you got that right, hallelujah. I'm so proud of you. You are wonderful. Good job. And I hope you feel like you could do that again on your own. Give it a thumbs up. If you got it wrong, you have no idea what I'm talking about at all, and you don't even think you're on your way to understanding, put a thumbs down and click through for the next example. If you need that support on the unit circle, please go there. And I hope you are feeling a little bit smarter and more confident after this video. Adios.